So OhSo. So OhSo. So OhSo. So OhSo. So OhSo.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be featuring this gorgeous hair. Lately I have been looking up on some bomb wigs, and this is another one, and it's by Wiggins.com. I'll be sure to link all their information down below. In this video I'm going to show you guys like a simple foolproof beginner lazy girl, I'm trying to throw on my wig and get out the door. I'm so extra. Wig application for you guys. This is the most simple wig application, and I'm not really focusing on the hairline, even though the hairline is really good on this unit. Really good. It came pre-plucked and I didn't go in and pluck it or anything. So this is definitely going to be geared toward my people who are new to lace wigs and frontal wigs. So I'm not for certain off the top of my head of all the information on this hair. So either probably in my voiceover that's going to follow this portion of the video, and definitely in the description box I'm going to leave all the information and details on his hair below, because when I tell you, if you want some effortless hair, some hair that is in between a curly and a wavy texture, like a year-round just slay, I will wear this hair any time of the year. It's very versatile. If you want to, you can straighten it and wear it straight. You see this gorgeous texture that it comes in. This texture is so gorgeous, so you definitely can wear it in its natural state. If you want to go in and curl it, or you can curl it with the flat iron or curling iron, or even make it a little bit more voluminous and use a curling wand, you can definitely do that. So this hair is so versatile, and I just really recommend this hair if you like curly hair and you like a low maintenance curly hair, because as you guys are going to see in the clip that follows this section, I washed this wig and it's like really shake and go. You don't have to put much product or anything on this hair. The natural texture is everything. I'm not for certain off the top of my head of the density, but I believe the density is 150%. But if I'm not even really going to try to get into all the details, because like I said, I don't know it off the top of my head, and it's going on 1 o'clock in the morning, y'all. I ain't trying to look for all that information right now. And yeah, I just wanted to just come in really quick and show you guys like how bomb this hair is looking. I will stand up and give you guys a 360 though, however, before we get started on the tutorial. This hair is 22 inches long, and I'm between 5'2" and 5'3". So this is how long it's falling on me. Y'all know the routine. Excuse my leggings, but this is how long the hair is falling on me. And it's so perfectly full, but not too full. I feel like this texture would suit anyone. So if you guys want to see how I applied this wig, stay tuned, because it was so simple. I'm telling you guys, use a elastic band in your wigs, and it will save you so much trouble of trying to do the most with the got to be glued or any type of wig adhesive, because I hardly used anything to lay this wig down, and she's slaying. She is slaying. So let me show you guys how this wig is looking. It's 100% dry. I'm feeling the part, like I'm feeling it. Now, like I said, I did not go in and do anything to the hairline. So this is how the hairline is looking. It did come pre-plucked, and I think they did an amazing job.
So inside the packaging, you will get a few accessories. One will be a head tie, a choker, and some eyelashes. Now I did want to mention that this unit does come with a distinctive smell, and I didn't really care for it, but after I washed it, the smell went away. Inside this wig, the cap construction has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable strap. The lace on this lace front unit is about 5 to 6 inches long, which I really like. It comes with a dominant right side part, but you can part it anywhere you like in the front perimeter. This is the loose deep body wave texture in 22 inches, and the density is 180%. And I'm just showing you quickly how I customize this unit to my liking. Now this wig does come with a pre-plucked parting space, so I didn't feel the need to do anything to the hairline. So as you can see, I'm just cutting the lace to suit my particular hairline, and instead of bleaching the knots, I went in with a foundation, and that camouflaged the knots pretty nicely. I did go in, like I mentioned before, and added an elastic band, and the elastic band made this unit fit perfectly. So I added some extra security by adding 2 bobby pins, 1 on either side, and that just helped the lace lay seamless to my hair. Now everything else is pretty much explanatory, so I'm going to let you guys watch what I do, and keep in mind the only adhesive that I used was my Got To Be glue spray, and I only used it right on the front part of my forehead. As you guys seen, this was an effortless wig application. I feel like it's perfect for anyone, especially if you're on the go, or if you're a beginner, or if you're just someone who is like me and you like to switch out your wigs every day. This is the perfect application for you. So if you guys are interested in this wig, which I definitely recommend, is all the way OhSo approved. I absolutely love this wig. I will leave all of Wiggins Hair's information down below in my description box. All the details on this wig will be down below as well. Again, this is their loose deep body wave hair in 22 inches, 180% density. I'll have the direct link to this wig in my description box. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video.
She so also. She so also. She so also. Are you ready? She so also. She so also. She so also.